What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Chicago beef dip sandwich. So, come on, Irene, and let's live the dream, shall we? That's right, baby, a Chicago beef dip sandwich. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what are you talking about, man? You can't even barely say it. Well, that's because it goes by a few different names. But I know it because my old boy, Steven Snow, was telling me about this recipe. I've been telling him how I like that au jus dipping sandwich. And he said, you know, you can kick it up a level. They got this thing called the Chicago style. You put all these peppers and things in there, and it's going to be, oh, so good. So let's go ahead and take a trip to the Windy City, if we shall. Now, first thing that you got to do to have a beef sandwich, you got to get that big beef, baby. And I ain't talking about this right here. I'm talking about a chuck roast is what I got today. You know, I think that in the technical recipe they say to use like a rump roast or a specific kind of roast. But you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. So, the old chuck it was today. Now, go ahead and put your chuck down in there. Then, we're going to add 2 packets of that au jus dipping packet just to give it that good flavor. Now, I went ahead and put some ranch in there, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what are you trying to do? Be home on the range with Sam Elliott? No! I put the ranch in there because it gives it a little extra something, man. Has it in there, gives it a kick like William Zabka. Now, put that ranch seasoning down in there as well, and then we're going to add a little beef broth just to give it a little drinky. Now, once you get all those things completed, go ahead and put your lid on there and wait 2 hours. Maybe you can go watch some highlights of the old Chicago Cubs, because there ain't no new highlights of the Chicago Cubs. And you can let it sit and stew. Now, after about 2 hours or so, take that lid off, and then we're going to add some banana peppers, boy, because that's going to be the spice of life for the whole deal there, man. Make you feel like Harry Carey. Now, put that stuff down in there, and then I want you to add this jar of this stuff, and I'm going to try to pronounce it, but I don't know if I can get it right. I'm not even going to try. You can read the can. Where's Charlie from Cooking Secrets for Men when I need him? Y'all go watch Charlie's channel. I'll put the link to his channel down in my description. So, you put that jar of that stuff down in there, and then let it go for about 2 more hours or so. Now, after that time, you can go ahead and pull your beef out and put it to the side. And I sliced mine pretty thick. I didn't do it too thin because I'm going to put mine back in and kind of let it melt down and shred. But technically, on the real deal, Holyfield, you got to put them thin slices on there, brother. So, once you get that done, we'll go ahead and put the whole damn thing together. Now, go ahead and get you a bun, that sandwich bun, just for fun. Split that thing open down the middle and put your meat and vegetable deal mixture on top of there. Now, it's not going to be like the roast beef au jus that you get at the old Arby's over there with them curly fries where they give you the cup of sauce. What you're supposed to do is get a ladle, and I'm talking about a ladle, not a dreidel, yak off, and you take some of that juice and all that stuff and slap it all over top of that sandwich. See, that's why when the old boy told me about that thing, I knew I'd be in love because I like them old sloppers, boys. So, I think we're ready for a good old sight and a big old delicious sloppy bite of these Chicago style dipping sandwiches tonight. I don't know what they're called. We'll find out when we get there. Well, let's just look for now, buddy boy. Yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Chicago style beef dipping sandwich. Good. It's done. And I'm having that first bite for Big Papa. So, gotta be careful with this one because it's kind of like me. It's hot and it's fully loaded. So, prepare to make a sloppy mess there, buddy. Look, it's already trying to slop on me. And that's what I like. Means it's gonna be good. Gotta get that angle. See what I'm doing? Oh! Woo! Sir. That is just a combination of all my favorite things. We got the savory in there with the beef. A little bit of spice and sweet and tang with the pepperoncinis and them things. And of course that delicious sauce on there that I just bringing it all together, man, making everything fantastic. So I want to thank all of you fantastic people for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if y'all excuse me, I'm going to attempt to eat this thing without a knife and a fork, but I feel like I'm going to have to go grab me a Fizzork. So, I'll see y'all next time, and enjoy that. So, yeah.